and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing what is all over this? It looks like blush. I am currently sitting away from my vanity because the window is right here and it's better lighting, so that's why we're sitting over here. But today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. Should I do an intro without makeup or should I do an intro with makeup? I already made this intro, so we're sticking to this. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial and chit-chatting. It's not going to be too long because I can only upload 15-minute videos. But that's because I don't have very many subscribers, but I don't care because I just like doing YouTube. I think it's fun. I like to, show you guys what I do. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You might see Warren pop in and out. He is just, playing and watching TV. So you probably hear SpongeBob right now. So sorry. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into this makeup and make this look not so dead. Because I look like death. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna put on my ears. My ears. Okay. So, I don't know if I'm gonna name off the things that I'm using, because I'm trying to just, make this like a chatty kind of thing. Even though I said it was like a makeup tutorial, but I might as well just tell you. But I just used the Mario Badescu, I don't know, facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So now I'm gonna go in. Damn it! Now I gotta use that again. Do not have your mouth open when you do that. Gross. Okay, I forgot to put moisturizer on, but the one I use is Physicians Formula 24 karat gold, and I'm almost out. I'm up to here. Okay, I love this stuff. I love it. But I forgot to do that, so I just sprayed extra. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. I am using the NYX. If I look over here, it's because I have the mirror over here. Otherwise, I bet you can't see it, okay? Okay. Well, that was a lot. I'm using the NYX HD. Come out! NYX HD Studio Photogenic Primer. I'm just rubbing it in. I don't do anything fancy. I just rub it in. So, what has been going on with my life? You guys pretty much know what's been going on with my life. Because I've been vlogging and actually uploading videos. Warren had the flu, as you guys know. I showed that in the vlog. I'm currently filming another vlog, which I haven't started today. Damn it! What was I saying? I don't know. Oh. I'm just gonna blend. I don't like how this brush is not working. Darren just got home from work, so you might see him in the background here. I bet that really made me look quiet for some reason. I don't know. Maybe not. See the shirt. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using two different foundations because the one foundation that I have, Darren got me for Christmas, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. He went through all my foundations back there to see what I had, and he got me this one. So, and he got it in medium, and it's a little too dark. Or no, it's golden beige. It's a little too dark, but I'm gonna mix NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Light Ivory, and this one is too light. So I'm assuming if I mix these two, I could get me color, because I am pale as a mofo, and you guys are probably thinking light ivory. It's good for you. but it's not. It's really, really light. So I'm gonna put this on the. Ooh, that was like a little too much. Little too much. And I love these things. I feel like I'm making science. I wish they would come with. I wish all foundations were like this. Like came with these droppers. Because it makes it so much easier. But I find this to be really, 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 really liquidy. So I'm gonna mix that. See if I need to add more, add not more. I need to add more of the white. I just use my finger to work them together. I need to get one of those little thingies. Okay, that is way that should work. If not, then it's gonna be a little dark. But it looks like it might be a little dark. We shall see! Oh, and the top I'm wearing today is I sold my soul for makeup and pizza. Time Los Angeles. Ashley Swagner XO. I've heard. I have quite a few of her items in my closet and makeup collection. Only thing I really want right now is the brushes. They're so pretty. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do my brows and then I'll be back. So I thought I was recording my eyeshadow process and I wasn't. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what I used and what I did. So all I did was put Rush from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. All I did was put Rush in my crease for the transition shade, and then I took Gold on Camera, which is this gold one, and I put that in the center of my eyelid, and then I took Siren, this one right here, and I put that on the inner corner, the outer corner, and I blended it just a little bit up into the crease, and that's all I did. And then I took Rush again and put it on my lower lash line. I have mascara on now. I used the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator mascara, and I fucked up on my bottom lashes, but whatever. I'm not gonna put on falsies because I don't have any. I need to go get some. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do my contour, blush, and highlight. So I use the Tarteist, or I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro Glow in Sculpt. Trying to cover the mirror so you can see it. Sculpt. Anyways, this one right here. Where's my mirror? Right here. So, sorry about that. I suck. But what do you do? No. But what I was saying while I thought I was filming was, hold on. What was I saying? Oh, family vacations I'm trying to plan this year for the summer. We want to go to Chicago to the aquarium because Warren loves aquariums. We took him to one in Ann Arbor and he was obsessed. Like, obsessed. He was so happy. So happy. So we're trying to get that done, and then maybe to the museum there as well, because they have a museum of science and natural history. I think he would like that too. I've been there before, and so has Darren. I swear to you, this foundation does match. It's just a tad dark, but it looks like it's not matching at all right now. So yeah, we're trying to get that planned. We want to spend a weekend there, go Friday night, and then come home Saturday night, and then spend Saturday. Did I say Saturday come home? Sunday come home, and then just do that, and then Sunday we'll go do whatever else we want to do. So yeah. Blush I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Heather Silk. I've used this forever, like, and ever. It's really good blush. Okay, so the highlight I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Amure Glow Boosting Drops. I'm going to take just... I spilled a little bit. I'm just going to go boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Not many because it is a liquid I already put powder on. I'm just going to take this tiny brush and just... Actually, I'm going to take my fingers because that seemed easier. I'm just going to start when I use this. Just the high points. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to take... Get off! Go. Now I'm going to take MAC's Soft and Gentle. I'm going to put that on the high points. Hello, the show has showed up. Hello. Or the queen has showed up, not the show. Well, I am the show, so hey. I like being a glowing. It's like you show up in the room and you're like, hey, I know, bitch, I glow. Okay, then I'm going to put some on my nose and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to use Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. Hi, baby. Because this is literally one of my obsessions. Round brush, bright brush. Okay, so I just did my lipstick. I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills Hudson. It's just this nude color right here. Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This stuff is powerful. And that's it. That is it for today. This is probably the most boring makeup thing ever for you guys. But if you guys would like a more in-depth, I guess, tutorial, let me know. I will do one similar to this, but I already told you what I use, so go get it, okay? Go get the Jekyll and Hyde palette. It's all good. So yeah, that is it for this video. I don't think I want to announce anything. No. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see in the comment section down below. And I will talk to you guys later.